Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mike's World. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Saramonic Blink500 wireless for your phone. Great system. I'm going to do some audio tests. I'm going to show you what it sounds like. All that's next on Mike's World. All right, guys, it's no secret. A lot of people now choosing to use their phone to shoot their videos, whether it be home video, blogging, YouTube videos, you name it. I tend to not use it as much, but a lot of people do. But the biggest issue with phones is a lot of people focus on the video and they don't pay any attention to their audio. And good audio really does matter when it comes to making videos, especially if you're going to put them on YouTube or places like that. So if you're doing interviews, if you're a reporter like a small town newspaper or something like that, or you're just shooting something for yourself and you want to have good audio, you need to have a way to get good audio into your phone. Today we're going to be talking about the Saramonic Blink500. This is a dual wireless system for your iPhone. It has this particular one. Now they do come with a USB-C adapter. This particular one is made for the iPhone because I have an iPhone. The Saramonic Blink500. So it comes with the dual lav transmitters and a receiver that plugs directly into your phone. I have actually broke one of my wireless cables, or my lav cables, so that's why you only see one sitting here right now. But we're going to hook this up. Going to shoot a video. I'm going to replace my camera that you're watching right now, which is my Sony NX5U. I'm wearing the Sennheiser broadcast headsets. I'm going to replace that with my phone on a monopod, which I've done another video on the monopod setup. You can go watch that as well. Link in the description. And then we're going to put this wireless on, and we're going to do a short little audio test. I'm only maybe 5 feet away from the camera. These have a range maybe about 35, 40 feet. They're not bad, but I'm going to let you listen to the audio. We'll talk a little bit more about them after I switch out and shoot with the phone. And you guys can be the judge. By the way, before we get started with that, just full disclosure, I paid for all this. None of this is given to me to review. These are my own opinions. However, there are links in the description to buy these if you want them. And I would just say, again, full disclosure, I do get a small commission if you purchase through those links. So if you like the channel and you want to help us out, if you do decide you want to buy a set of these, I would appreciate it if you would buy it through the link in the description. Okay, let's get switched out and let you see what it sounds like using the Blink500 system. Okay guys, so before we actually do the audio test, I think it's pretty important that I show you how these work and what the features are with them. To start off with the Saramonic receiver, it's a pretty simple device. It's got the lightning port, and then you'll see the yellow side here is actually the receiver. That's the antenna. So you don't want to interfere with this. So when you're holding this, if this is on your phone and you're holding your phone by this, you might get some interference. So you don't want to hold your phone by the receiver. And really there's only, all there is there's a little pinhole here, and that's your pair. And that's how you're going to pair, these pair up just like Bluetooth. So that's how you do that. Let's start off by first plugging the receiver into the phone. And the first thing you're going to notice is the blinking blue light. So that means that it's getting power, but it's not paired up to a receiver. So I'm just going to use one receiver for the test to show you. Let's undo the cord here. Plug in your lav mic. So the one other feature about these, this has a built-in microphone right here. So if you wanted to clip this just on, like, on your shirt, you don't have to have the wired lav mic. You can just clip this on and it will pick it up here. Honestly, I don't prefer doing that. I think it's better to use the lav mic. For one, it's pretty big and bulky. You clip this on you and it doesn't look good. So if you clip this on your pocket and run the lav up your shirt and hide the mic, which is what I'm going to do when I show you my test, I think that is a much better, cleaner looking solution. You'll notice here that it has a port. That is a USB-C port. That is how you charge this. It has an internal battery, has a mic clip, or has a clip right there, a belt pack or belt clip. And on this side, you'll notice pair buttons or volume. And so I'll show you how the volume works here in a minute. So we're going to plug this in. We're going to hold down the button here to turn it on. And you'll see it's solid blue. And you'll notice the receiver is solid blue. That means you're paired. That means you're paired and ready to go. Now, you'll notice the red button. I think that means the battery's almost dead. But down here on these volume buttons, if you go down, see how the blue light's moving? That tells you where your volume is set. So all the way up is right there. Pull it down. Now, what you're going to have to do is you're pretty much going to have to put this on, test it, and see where you want your mic level to be. I'm probably going to test it right there. We'll do both. We'll do full volume, down a notch, down another notch. So as I put this on when we do an audio test, I'll volume up and down. To pair, it's pretty simple. In the receiver, hit the little, get you a needle or something, hit that pair button. This will start blinking. Hold down these two buttons here. It'll start blinking. When they get solid blue, they're paired. It's really that simple. These are so easy to use, so easy to charge, and they run left on continuously about 2 hours. I haven't done a complete test to let it go completely dead, but I know they'll last at least 2 hours. And then, you know, if you only need one, then you have a backup. But this is a dual wireless system. You can mic up 2 people to go into your phone. Now, obviously, with a phone, you know, you don't have volume. You have volume control here, but your phone is going to automatically gain up. That's just one of the drawbacks to an iPhone. So you don't really have any volume control inside the phone itself, which is kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. I mean, these phones were not made for professional use. They're made to shoot home videos, but this at least gives you an option. So let me put one of these on. I'm going to turn this one off. I think the other one's the one that's charged. I need to charge them both. And I'm going to put these on and set my phone up, and we'll do an audio test with a volume control test. All right, guys, so now I'm using the Blink500 wireless system. I'm shooting this with my iPhone. It's an iPhone 12, and so this is at full volume. You're hearing my audio at full volume right now. Let's go down one notch. Now, see if there was a difference. I can't monitor audio. That is one problem definitely with iPhones. You can't monitor your audio. Let's go down another click. And here it is, down 2 clicks from top, so you can hear what the audio sounds like here. Now, iPhones typically will gain up, and so as I go down into volume, you might start hearing more buzz or hissing or humming sound, and that's the iPhone auto gaining up the audio, so there's no manual control of audio on the iPhones. Let's go down another click. Here you go. 3 clicks down. Here we are, 4 clicks down. See if you can even hear me right now, and then I'm back up to full volume. You probably lost me as you were listening there as I clicked down, but there you go. Saramonic Blink500 transmitter, receiver, pretty simple. It's a dual system, so you can mic up 2 people if you're doing interviews, anything like that. But that is the Saramonic Blink500 system for your iPhone. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like the content. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please like the video and always leave a comment and tell me what you think. And again, if you decide this is a wireless system you would like to purchase, please do so through the link in the description. Guys, take care. We'll see you next time.